So in this problem, well, it's not really much of a problem. So it's more of just an exploration. So the idea here is just to help you kind of visualize the difference between mean value theorem and Rolle's theorem. So the idea with mean value theorem is simply the endpoints do not have to be the same, right? Where the red graph ends and starts doesn't have to have the same y value. But there has to exist some point in the red function where the slope of the tangent line is equal to the average rate of change between the endpoints is equal to the slope. So you see that in the blue here, the blue being the slope between the two endpoints. And then the green line is the slope of the tangent line at that moment. Now, you'll notice I can't drag anything here because it has to be equal. If I try to change that point, it wouldn't be the same tangent line. Now, what I can do here is if I can change my lower bound, I can change the y value of the the x value of that point, which results in a different y value. And we can see that no matter what slope I get between my two endpoints, there's going to be some tangent line that has the same slope. And I can, of course, move the upper bound as well. I can adjust that and watch it move back and forth. Now, the key to this, though, is hopefully to make you realize, okay, so this is all mean value theorem. So what does Rolle's theorem say? Rolle's theorem says that if the y values of my two endpoints are equal, that's as close as I'm going to get it, then there exists some slope on my red function, some slope of tangent line that has a slope of 0. That's what this 3.309256 times 10 to the negative fourth, that's it's Desmos error, rounding error of 0. So essentially this is a slope of 0 and a slope of 0. And you'll notice, is there just one slope of 0? Well, no, there's a second one way down here at the bottom. But it just guarantees that there's at least one, and then we'd have to do the algebra to find it. So hopefully this helps you understand what's going on and helps you kind of visualize a little bit that we can have, let's see if I can get this there. Well, it's close. No, I don't think I'm going to do any better than that. All right, so we can have a Rolle's theorem, which says the slopes are equal to 0. Or we could have a mean value theorem, which says the slopes are not equal to 0, but they're really the same theorem, right? It's just the slopes of the endpoints have to equal the slope of the tangent line somewhere in the middle. All right, so go down here and check the cool. Say, yes, this was really cool. Hit submit. You got your points. If you say meh, you'll still get the points. All right, have a good one.